time to finally make this door open up to something other than a piece of plywood. Time to make an actual exit here. There was a door elsewhere, a slider on the back that got tore out. It was hideous and disgusting, and we redid that side of the house. So we need to have a second door. It's in the works here, but it's time to finally actually make it happen. So we're gonna get that rolling. The very first thing I need to do is fix something that I screwed up. I made the last minute change, and I thought we were gonna have the door open this way. I thought, well, let's just open it to the stove. That makes more sense. And that way you're opening it up into the room. The thing I didn't think about was the electrical's right there and switches are right there. So you'd open the door and then have to go around the door to turn on the light switch. So that won't work. So the door's gotta open this way, which means I gotta switch the hinges. I gotta pull out this piece right here for my trim and replace that, because now it's got hinges cut into it. So a little bit of rework to do, and then we'll get this thing in, get a threshold, get some seals, and pull off that plywood. Guess there's no going back. This door is going in today. Alright, I got spray foam and tar all over me from the weather seal, but we're sealed up, good to go. So now I can start working on the latch and getting everything together there. Looks like Gidee's out working in the garden. Let's go see what she's up to. What did you find in the burn pile?
Well, I actually found this up in the woods up there. You know where that spring is?
Mm-hmm.
That's open up there?
Yeah.
So kind of up in that general area up there. It's a bug of some sort. Pretty cool.
Well, I guess you don't have to buy any bone meal for the garden, huh?
Nope.
Throw it in there.
Yeah, I will.
So you doing a hugelkultur bed?
Yeah, I'm gonna put some rotted wood in the bottom. It's such a dry area that we live in that it really helps with water retention in the summer. So makes a huge difference. Now we're putting our door seal on, and trim and door seal. Basically the seal is this kind of Z-shaped material.
And when the door closes, it squishes into that bulb and seals.
Putting some rocks up.
Yeah, well, I had dumped a big pile of rocks like right here before I decided to dig this all out, so I'm just digging them out really quick. So it's a little difficult, but the tractor wasn't really getting it, so Finley's helping, not really. All I keep stealing sticks out of my guys.
Alright guys, the door is done. Trim, seals, well it's not technically done, Dee Dee's still going to stay in it, but my part's done. So installation is done, Dee Dee's going to do some finish work on it. Glad to have that done because that means I can move forward in the near future with siding, finish up that last little chunk of siding on that side. We got some windows to do upstairs, and then that's the last thing on that side of the house. And I can do siding there and be 100% done with siding. So that's a big step, getting that done, and I am super excited. Plus it's always good to have a back door, right? Good to have another access point in case of fires and stuff like that. So anyhow, Dee Dee is calling on the garden. She's working on a hugelkultur bed down on the bottom side there. But it's getting late, so we're gonna get some dinner, and we'll catch y'all guys on the next video.